Finish cleaning up here.
I like your stickers.
I know. I like those too. Getting dirty. It's gonna be my babies.
Alright guys, if you really want the secret,
That's what I'm saying.
send me $10. Because they're not going to tell you.
We do that.
Nothing?
So this isn't the video that we're shooting today, but just a little information for all you who care. I'm going through my parts that I've had sitting at my house for a while. Bringing it up here, cleaning off the bike.
Finally.
Things might get started. I'm really loving my stickers I found. There you can see that Revival Cycles and then hand-built motorcycles out of Austin, Texas.
It's going to be weird whenever it has to be revived 3 times.
Hey. No, but there is a reason we are here today.
So we've got Adam back in the garage. He's getting excited about his bike again. But he's also, keep in mind, even though Adam's not on camera that much, Adam is behind the camera a lot, sitting at the desk editing video.
Yes.
He is the sole video editor for our channel. So he's here because we're going to discuss how we reach our 1,000 subscribers. Now currently we're sitting a little over 1,300. So
Climbing every day.
So we've hit 1,000, and at first we was like, well, you know, is it going to stick? Now we're over 1,300. We're pretty comfortable. We're going to stay over 1,000 for a while. So, so things that we have done to get over 1,000 subscribers. So the first thing is I went in and got the Facebook page, and then created a Facebook group for those of you who like to build stuff and share with other people who like to build stuff. There is a Facebook group called Wrench Benders,
and we share stuff in the group, and we.
You might get a sneak peek of what we're doing behind the scenes in that group, if you're a member of that group.
Not to mention, I mean, we know a lot of people in the car community, and just anything with wheels, and just, they're cool people. They have a lot of cool builds.
Sometimes you see pictures of stuff that don't have wheels. But anyways, so we have that group, we got the Instagram, and then these two convinced me to start TikTok.
Was I right?
You was right.
What was that?
Kegan Humphreys was right for like once in his life.
Mark it down on the calendar.
So
it's video evidence.
So currently we have over 7,500 followers on TikTok. So we'd like a few more of those to come on over to our YouTube channel, but hey, we'll take it. But we did notice that we started doing TikToks, subscribership jumped up. So if you guys have a YouTube channel and you haven't started a TikTok pointing people towards your YouTube channel yet, you need to do that because it was a big help for us.
Not to mention, whenever you're in time crunch and you're doing something, I mean, you can take 3 seconds out, well not really 3 seconds, but a minute out of your time to do a TikTok in the middle of a video, and it seriously helps out, guys.
So something else we've done is we've been active in our local community. So if you watch our channel, and for example, I've got an Osborne's equipment hat on right now. These guys are right out the road from me. It's where I bought the clutch and pressure plate. And if you guys aren't keeping up with my truck build right now, I haven't announced that I have the new clutch and pressure plate yet. So ta-da! I have a brand new clutch and pressure plate ready to attach to the flywheel when I get it surfaced and balanced after we get the adapter made. So but yes, Osborne's equipment. Before this video comes out, you should see a video where I'm doing the log manifolds for the engine. And I got all my black iron pipe from Iron City.
Iron City Pipe and Supply and Jackson.
Pipe and Supply, and Kegan's bought some parts of them. We try and support local businesses. In return, we actually have business cards sit on some of their desks or their countertops and stuff for local people. And we went and...
These are ours.
Yeah, I went to a local print shop and had business cards made. And so when we go to car shows and stuff, we're handing out business cards. Or when we go to events and stuff, we're like, hey, check out our channel.
Card shop's local too, guys.
Yeah, it's a zip printing out of Jackson, Ohio. Yep. So Yeah, nobody's sponsoring these videos yet. We just are supporting local businesses.
Yeah, we'll throw your name out there and give us money.
If you want to sponsor us, we can hook you up. We're cheap.
Really?
So
For cheeseburgers.
In all reality, though, there's a lot of information they're throwing out here, but I think the main concept is it takes time. It does not happen overnight.
So from a statistical point of view, if you go to Google and ask Google how long it takes to become monetized on YouTube, they're going to tell you roughly 22 months. It's going to take on average 155 videos.
Or $10,000 in doctor bills.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So, but we did do it in 18 months, and we did do it with 108 videos when we actually hit the mark where we could file for monetization. So we got ahead of the curve a little bit, not a lot. It mainly just takes time and dedication.
Yeah, there's been a lot of learning curves here. From the video editing standpoint, I've changed to a couple different softwares. I found what works for me and how I can make it work for me while I'm on the move.
He's gotten a lot better at thumbnails. The thumbnails are attractive, at least I think so.
So there's been a learning curve all the way around. And I'll just tell you, from the beginning, I have no experience video editing. This was a first for me.
And we have no experience in filmography of any kind, and neither one of us went to any acting schools.
You can tell.
I definitely ain't going to an acting school. I don't know.
And we're not even pretty.
In the beginning, it was just an idea, and we started with a camera. Actually, we started with a GoPro.
GoPro 3 Hero Plus.
Which, if you watched our camera video, you've seen that. And it has progressed, and it's hopefully gotten better. At least we've gained a few subscribers, so.
Yeah, and if you guys see room for us to improve that would cause you to click that subscribe button and hang around, comment below. Let us know how we're doing. If you think we're doing a good job, comment below and let us know we're doing a good job. But basically, we just wanted to give anybody out there, I know we have a few buddies that have recently appeared on the channel that have their own YouTube channel. Everybody's trying to grow. And we just want to share what we have done, because anybody who's wanting to do this, we'd like to help them because we're enjoying doing this.
And don't get us wrong, guys. There's a lot of work involved into it, and it's frustrating at times and sometimes demanding. But eventually you get into a rhythm of it, and I mean, it's the biggest thing is whenever you start out and with whatever you're doing, just getting used to having a camera in the room, and after that, things they take off a little bit.
I know my biggest flaw is I want to start working on stuff, and I'll be like, okay, I'm just going to check this out for a little bit. Next thing you know, I'm actually building something halfway through, and I'm like, I should have turned the camera on. So, because we're going to build this stuff whether or not we film it. It's just, if the YouTube channel keeps up, then I'm going to keep filming what we're building.
And remember, it is hard to wear two hats at the same time, worker and director. So.
And that's why I was off camera for a while. It got difficult for me to be here and edit because I was spending a lot of time early on. I didn't know how to edit. That took a long time.
And plus, you know, we have a life. We have jobs. A couple of us have kids. You know, we got other things going on other than YouTube. So, Adam, we needed to divide and conquer. So, me and Kegan filmed, Adam edited, and it kept us rolling. So, that's another thing is kind of coming over some hurdles in your channel to get to that 1,000 subscribers. And what I'm looking for, you want to stay consistent.
Yes, that's one thing we did do.
Like, we release a video every week at Friday at 5 or like 4:45.
It's 4:45.
Yeah, so at 5 o'clock there should be a video out there from us on Friday every week. I don't know that we will always maintain that schedule, but for the foreseeable future, that's the schedule we plan to maintain.
And it's a good schedule. I mean,
we are fallible, though. It may be a possibility that we miss one. Nobody's perfect.
If we run out of content, guys, it's just we don't put one out.
But I can tell you we've already put some out at 4:45 in the morning.
Yeah, because
the video editor makes
somebody can't get AM and PM straightened out. I know I've done that before when I was trying to help schedule.
The bottom line here is it takes effort, it takes time. And if anyone out there has questions on how we did it, I mean, we're not super successful, but we do have 1,300 subscribers right now.
We are getting paid.
I mean, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
But if
You
you
guys are getting
have
paid?
interest, well, no, I've not actually seen $1 yet. He just keeps telling me that.
Yeah.
I think that's how he keeps sucking me in.
Don't quit
We're
yet.
getting paid.
As I said,
Where's my money? No, we're getting paid.
I know monetized, but the only thing I've seen is cheeseburger and ski.
That's
Yeah,
good
at least
enough,
you get
right?
lunch. If you have questions, if you want to know more, comment, send us a message, join the Facebook group. We'd love to talk about it. That's pretty much it.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep.
And remember, actually I really don't have anything today, I just want to say it. See you guys.